In today's fast-paced world, as material needs are increasingly met, people are seeking more than just comfort. They're aiming for sustainable prosperity. Feng Shui, an ancient Eastern art and science, has long been used to channel positive energy, invite wealth, and create balanced, harmonious spaces. Feng Shui is not superstition. It is the art of arranging space based on energy flow, qi, the five elements, yin and yang, and the connection between humans and nature. A well-designed Feng Shui space can significantly improve luck, enhance financial opportunities, and strengthen relationships. This article doesn't delve into abstract theories. Instead, it offers concrete, easy-to-apply Feng Shui tips, perfect for anyone looking to boost their financial fortune practically and effectively. The main entrance is the mouth of energy. It's where life force enters and sets the tone for the entire home. Keep it clean and open. Avoid placing shoes, trash bins, or dead plants near the entrance. These block positive energy and cause financial stagnation. Enhance light and color. Use warm lighting or a red welcome mat to energize the space. Consider hanging a pair of coins or a wind chime with 6 metal rods for luck. Use a bagua mirror or traditional coins to neutralize negative energy and attract good fortune. The living room is the energy hub of the house and crucial for wealth accumulation. Arrange sofas in a U or circular shape to retain energy. Seats should have solid walls behind them, offering symbolic support. Avoid sharp edges from furniture pointing at seating areas or artwork depicting violence or turbulence. Add lucky items like the 3-legged money frog, a sailing ship model facing inward, or a wealth-attracting money tree. In Feng Shui, the kitchen represents sustenance and prosperity. The stove should not directly face the main door or be placed opposite the bathroom. Keep the stove, sink, and food storage tidy. Full rice jars symbolize abundance. Place coins or bay leaves in the rice jar. Keep the kitchen warm and well lit to symbolize a thriving home. The direction your desk faces can influence your performance and income. For leaders and decision makers, the best direction is southeast or southwest. For finance or business professionals, north or northeast is ideal. Never sit with your back to the door. Position a picture of a mountain behind you to symbolize strong support. Enhance focus and clarity with a crystal globe or sphere. Small potted plants like money tree, lucky bamboo, or golden pothos boost vitality, best placed in the southeast corner. Stick Chinese coins under your keyboard, mousepad, or planner for discreet wealth activation. Avoid mirrors facing your face, blinking lights, or sharp objects pointing toward you. For business owners, hang a bagua mirror outside or place a pair of Pai Shu statues facing outward to attract wealth and block negativity. Position the god of wealth and earth deity near the entrance, facing inward to guide wealth into the store. Always keep the cash register area well lit and consider placing a mini wealth tree or gold ingot decoration nearby. For office workers, hang artwork showing koi fish transforming into dragons, high mountains, or miniature bonsai trees to symbolize growth and ambition. Use gold or red pens for signing important documents, colors symbolizing authority and energy. Place a rose quartz crystal to enhance relationships and foster a cooperative work environment. For families saving for assets, decorate the living room with paintings like Success with Galloping Horses, or tranquil mountain water scenes to invite harmony and luck. Always keep the rice jar full in the kitchen and sprinkle a few coins or aromatic leaves like bay leaf inside. Fill a clear jar with water and amethyst stones and place it in the southeast corner of the home to invite long-term wealth. Avoid layout errors that can drain energy. If the front door aligns with the back door, install a partition or plant to block the direct path. Mirrors facing the bed or entrance can reflect and bounce energy away, creating restlessness and financial instability. A stove facing the bathroom symbolizes a clash between fire and water, which can damage health and wealth. Discard broken electronics, cracked items, or damaged furniture. They block energy and keep you stuck in the past. Dead plants suck life energy from your home. Replace them with healthy, vibrant ones to boost qi. Keep a few high-denomination bills, symbolic gold bars, or lucky charms in your safe. Add a small mirror inside the safe to double the value of its contents. Feng Shui won't magically transform your life overnight, but it works as a catalyst, aligning your surroundings to better support your efforts, mindset, and goals. Begin with the basics. Clear your entrance, organize your desk, and warm up your kitchen with good energy. These small actions build momentum, and soon, your space will feel more abundant and welcoming. And remember, Feng Shui is most powerful when combined with positivity, effort, and clarity of purpose. The true magic lies in taking action, trusting the process, and believing that you deserve the wealth and success you're attracting.